Hello student, good morning all of you. In last lecture I am completing the topic amines and diazonium salt. Then today I am starting new topic, that is chapter number 1 or unit number 1, carboxylic acid and their derivatives. All of you familiar with carboxylic acids. Then this topic contain, first is the monocarboxylic acid. Mono means one, those organic compound containing one COH group. Then this type of the compound is called as the monocarboxylic acids. Then here we study, in case of monocarboxylic acid, methods of formation of monocarboxylic acid and chemical reactions. Then second point in this topic is the halo acids. Halo means halogens. Then acids containing halogen atoms are called as the halo acids. Means suppose acetic acid CH3COH. Then in case of CH3COH, one hydrogen atom from CH3 group is replaced by one halogen, then formation of a monohalo derivative of monohalo acids. Then if two hydrogen atom replaced dihalo acids and three halogen acids from CH3 group, three hydrogen atoms from CH3 group are replaced by three halogen atom, then formation of a trihalo acids. This halo acids depends upon how many hydrogen atoms from CH3 groups are replaced by halogen atoms. Then in these halo acids we study methods of formation of halo acids, that is formation of monochloroacetic acid, dichloroacetic acid and trichloroacetic acid. I am showing here the structure. Monochloroacetic acid, that is Cl CH2 COH. Means in case of the acetic acid, one hydrogen atom is replaced by one chlorine atom, formation of a monochloroacetic acid. Then again we study methods of formation of monochloroacetic acid and substitution reactions of monochloroacetic acid. Means example of monochloroacetic acid is the here Cl CH2 COH. This is the monochloroacetic acid. Then after monochloroacetic acid, third point in this topic is the hydroxy acid. You remember only name of this acid and type of the acid. Here malic acid and citric acid, these two acids are hydroxy acids, because in your exam questions may be asked like this: malic acid is the example of dash dash acid, that is halo acid, hydroxy acid, unsaturated acid, etc. Therefore hydroxy acids are two, malic acid and citric acid. I am showing here structure of malic acid: COH, CH2, CHOH, COH. Then here two COH group present. Therefore this is also example of a dicarboxylic acid. Here OH group attached at carbon atom number 2. Therefore malic acid is the example of hydroxy acids. Means OH group is present in acids is called as the hydroxy acid. An example of hydroxy acid is the malic acid and citric acid. I am showing here structure of citric acid: CH2 COH. The CH2 COH group attached to COH COH, and again third carbon atom is the CH2 COH. Means citric acid containing three COH group in their structure. Therefore example of citric acid is also example of a tricarboxylic acid, because three COH groups are present, and at carbon atom number carbon atom number third OH group is present. Therefore this is the example of again hydroxy acids. Means citric acid containing OH group and malic acid containing OH group. Therefore citric acid and malic acid, these two are the examples of hydroxy acids. Then next is the unsaturated acid. Unsaturated means carbon carbon double bond in their structures. The COH is present acid, therefore those acids containing carbon carbon double bond is called as the unsaturated acids. The examples of unsaturated acids are cinnamic acid and acrylic acid. Here cinnamic acid, benzene ring containing CH double bond CH COH, this is the cinnamic acid. And aromatic acid, then acrylic acid. Here molecular formula for acrylic acid CH2 double bond CH COH, means here carbon carbon double bond is present in this structure, therefore this is the example of a unsaturated acid. Then in case of cinnamic acid, here presence of CH double bond CH COH, therefore cinnamic acid is also example of a unsaturated acid. Then next point in this topic is the dicarboxylic acid. Di means two, carboxylic means COH group, therefore those acids containing two COH group in their structure are called as the dicarboxylic acids. Therefore examples of dicarboxylic acid is the succinic acid and phthalic acid. Then I am showing here structure of succinic acid. CH2COH, CH2 group attached to another CH2COH, therefore two COH group present, therefore succinic acid is the example of a dicarboxylic acid. And structure of phthalic acid is benzene ring containing two COH group, this is the structure of phthalic acid. Therefore succinic acid and phthalic acid containing two COH group, therefore these acids are examples of a dicarboxylic acid. And last point in this topic is the carboxylic acid derivative. There are two carboxylic acid derivative for your syllabus: acetyl chloride and second is the acid anhydride. Acetyl chloride means acetic acid CH3COH. Then in CH3COH, OH group is replaced by Cl, formation of a CH3COCl. Here acetyl group is the CH3CO is the acetyl, therefore chlorine at OH is replaced by Cl, therefore name of this compound is the acetyl chloride. And in acetic anhydride, here formation of acetic anhydride, removal of water molecule from acid. Therefore for example I am taking suppose two molecules of acetic acid CH3COH, then formation of removing water molecule, formation of a CH3COOCOCH3, means removing water molecule, formation of a anhydride derivative. Anhydride means removal of a water molecule. Suppose phthalic acid remove water molecule, then formation of a phthalic anhydride. Similarly acetic acid release water molecule, formation of a acetic anhydride. Acetyl chloride and acetic anhydride, these are the derivatives of carboxylic acid. And succinic acid, phthalic acid, example of dicarboxylic acid. Cinnamic acid, acrylic acid, example of the unsaturated acid. Malic acid and citric acid, example of the hydroxy acid. And halo acids means one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by, in case of acetic acid, one of hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen, or two hydrogen atom replaced by halogens, or three hydrogen atoms in case of acetic acid replaced by halogens, formation of a halo acids. In halo acids we study here monochloroacetic acid, that is CH2COH. Means in this topic contain halo acids, hydroxy acids, unsaturated acid, dicarboxylic acid, and last point is the carboxylic acid derivative. Then COOH group present in any compound, then formation of a carboxylic acid. I am showing the structure. First acetic acid, CH3, here COH, or general formula RCOOH. R may be any alkyl group, ethyl, methyl, propyl, butyl, etc. Therefore I am showing the example here. Acetic acid, that is the CH3COH. Then second example, CH3 CH2 10 times COH. Here lauric acid, name of this compound is the lauric acid. Then acetic acid, IUPAC nomenclature is the ethanoic acid because acetic acid containing two carbon atoms, parent hydrocarbon, ethane. Then in case of ethane, E is replaced by OIC acid, means given IUPAC nomenclature, alkane, E is replaced by OIC acid, then formation of a IUPAC nomenclature. Then lauric acid is also known as the dodecanic acid. Deca means 10, do means 2 times 10, therefore dodecanic acid is also called as the lauric acid. Then next I am showing here benzoic acid. This is the aromatic acid. Benzene ring containing COH group. This structure is called as the benzoic acid. Then another structure here, benzene ring attached to CH2COH group. Name of this compound is the phenyl acetic acid. And further structure here, you see cyclohexane ring containing COH group. Therefore, name of this compound is the cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Here it is group of an organic compound containing a carboxylic group, that is COH group. Carboxylic acid containing carbonyl group to which the hydroxyl group is attached. The general formula of the group is RCOH. In the formula, R denotes the rest of the group attached to the functional group. This carboxylic group may be attached to hydrogen. Suppose COH group attached to hydrogen, then formation of a formic acid. Or any alkyl group. I am showing the structure: acetic acid, formic acid and lauric acid. If COH group attached to the aromatic ring, then formation of a aromatic acid, that is the benzoic acid. The structure of carboxylic acid I am showing one by one. The classification of carboxylic acid is based on the number of COH group present in the molecule as mono, di, tri or polycarboxylic acid. If carboxylic acid contain halogen atom, then it is called as the haloacid. And if contain OH group in their structure, then it is called as the hydroxy acid. When it contain double bond, then it is called as the unsaturated acids. Here mono, di, tri carboxylic acid, showing the examples. Then after classification, we are going here nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Then I am showing the structure. First, SCOH. Here common name of SCOH is the formic acid. Here one carbon atom in this acid, therefore parent hydrocarbon is the methane and E is replaced by OIC acid, therefore IUPAC name is the methanoic acid. Then second example, CH3COH. Here common name of CH3COH is the acetic acid. In the acetic acid structure, two carbon atoms are present, therefore parent hydrocarbon is the ethane, and in case of ethane, E is replaced by OIC acid, therefore IUPAC name of CH3COH is the ethanoic acid. Then third one is the CH3CH2COH. How many carbon atoms in this structure? 3 carbon atoms, therefore parent hydrocarbon propane. In case of propane, E is replaced by OIC acid, therefore IUPAC name of this structure is the propionic acid and common name is the propionic acid. Then further structure is the CH3, CH2, CH2, COH. 4 carbon atoms are present in this structure, therefore common name of this structure is the butyric acid and IUPAC name here butanoic acid, means parent hydrocarbon butane. In case of butane, BUTANE, E is replaced by OIC acid, therefore IUPAC name of this butyric acid is the butanoic acid. Then further we study methods of formation of monocarboxylic acids in next lecture. Thank you for listening.